Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel, Hybrid Jamaican-American Art. Never did I think the day would come where I'd be eating chicken feet. But while learning Jamaican cooking from a Jamaican auntie, I figured I'd muster up the nerve to try them. Rather than trying them in a restaurant, I added them to a chicken soup she taught me how to make. I actually like them, so I occasionally cook them in the Jamaican chicken soup. I also enjoy them in a soup from one of my favorite Jamaican restaurants, Sophie's Homestyle Cafe. Now that all my chicken feet are washed, one thing I have to do before seasoning them is cut off all the toenails. It's pretty easy to do, but I want to make sure I get all the toenails cut off before seasoning them and especially before cooking them. So here I go. So I just start snipping the toenails. Like I said, put it closer. Very easy to do. Pack and cut them here. Because I don't want too much cut off, because then we'll be cutting off the feet or the toes. And it's just the toenails we want off. So as I'm cutting off the toenails, see, one's not cut off. So show you gotta be careful. It can be slippery. So once I have all the toenails cut off, a piece of skin off too. I'm going to be adding the chicken feet with other chicken pieces to make stewed chicken. I make stewed chicken both Haitian style and Jamaican style, but I'm going to be making Jamaican stewed chicken with this batch. And yes, the Jamaican stewed chicken that me Jamaican aunties taught me how to make. I have videos of her teaching me how to make Jamaican stewed chicken, or videos of me making the stewed chicken as she taught me how to make. Only this one will have chicken feet with it. And my American Southern daddy, when he was a kid, he used to eat chicken feet, which he did not like, understandably, for a kid. But I think if he were here and I made the chicken foot the way his Jamaican sister-in-law taught me, I think he would like it. So, again, just so you can see, sometimes you do have to cut some of the foot off. I mean, not the foot, I'm sorry, the toe to get the toenail off. And again, never did I think the day would come where I would so much even try, especially enjoy chicken foot, but I do. But I also like Jamaican cow foot that my Jamaican auntie taught me how to make. And I think that's probably where I got the nerve to try the chicken foot. So I have a few more pieces. And again, I'm not using a lot, partly because it's not just the chicken foot. The chicken foot isn't the only chicken I'll be cooking. I'll be adding this with other chicken pieces, either legs or thighs. Not sure which one. And of course, since they're chicken feet, they're not going to be a whole lot of pieces in just a batch. Oh, and just a pointer, chicken feet can take longer to cook than other chicken pieces. So when you cook your chicken foot, just keep that in mind. They're littler, but they can take longer. So I just want to say, oh, I don't like that piece. To show that check your pieces. So I just want to say again, thank you, Auntie, for teaching me how to make several Jamaican dishes. Even though I didn't get to learn all the Jamaican dishes that I wanted to learn from you, I learned a great many. And I just want to say to you watching, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. See? All ready. Toenails are off. I'm going to run more over it again. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you haven't already, subscribe. Please subscribe. And if you have, thank you very much. And I hope that you return to my YouTube channel. As by God's grace, I'll be back with more Jamaican cooking and other aspects of hybrid Jamaican American art. Till next time. Yes.